Welcome back, peeps, to the second installment of Alien Donuts and Unicorns. I'm about to go buy some vegan donuts from Alien Donuts in Old Town Scottsdale, and I'm heading over to Aimee's Farm Animal Sanctuary, and I'm gonna go hang out with some unicorns, some very rare and beautiful little creatures, and you will see them all with me, so stick around. And this is my vegan donut haul of the day. I was going to bring all 6 to Aimee's, but it looks like I'm gonna have to cram one of these right now. Oh my gosh, guys, this is the Oreo donut, vegan alien Oreo donut. Look at that, oh my gosh. I already took a bite. Mmm. 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 Scooters. Hi, honey. How's your new wheelchair? Oh my goodness, it's so cool. You're the sweetest pea. Rocky, you're so sweet, honey. Hi. Hi. Is this the best moment of your life? This is the absolute best moment of my life. I don't think you can top this. This little tongue. Here, get it right in. Oh, you got spit. Ew. Oh. I love him so much. What is What is he eating? What is the solution of food? Do we know?
Could be carrot juice, watermelon juice, could be just water.
Whatever it is,
He likes it.
Rocky loves it. You need me to hold the back of it?
No, I think I got it. Okay, this might be the part. Good job.
Hey!
Okay, bye.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Let's go take a nap. Cornbread. I'm gonna rest this one.
Can I help you? What? Are you gonna sing me a song?
Here comes Chuck. You got Rocky's right behind.
I know.
Oh, this is so great.
Oh, you're okay, Tank.
Oh, Piggy. Oh, Piggy.
You're okay, baby girl.
Go, honey.
Aw. Paisley, are you singing me a song?
What are you doing, honey? Tinkerbell, what are you doing? I love how she like hoists her back end on something. Oh, here we go. Azalea.
What? What's that? You want a hug? What? Please try. Come on. Come on. Hey, Rob. Maybe not even. 0.8 miles.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I would be. Have you had those vegan meatballs?
I used to buy them.
Yeah. I think they have something else now too. They may or may not have hot dogs. Yeah. Look at
Oh my god. I'm gonna short circuit. What are you doing?
It's just too cute. The cuteness overload.
That little key.
Right. That's amazing. All right. That was so cute. Well guys, I am heading home to take a shower. Carron and I managed to clean out the pigs area, and it's been raining here for a couple of days, so we dried out and put some fresh hay down for the goats and everything, and it was such a wonderful day. I love coming here so much. It is so gratifying, and animal therapy is the best way to fight depression or just to add some joy to your life. I highly recommend that you find an animal sanctuary in your town or in your area and volunteer some time. You will truly, truly appreciate it. All right, guys, thank you for watching. If you're new, please take a moment to subscribe. I appreciate it so much, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.